In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your Squarespace website, a fun and dynamic way to enhance your site's visual appeal. To get started, make sure you have your GIF prepared in Canva. Once you've created the perfect GIF, head over to your Canva design. Now, let's go through the process step by step to embed that GIF onto your Squarespace site. Begin by navigating to your Canva GIF design. You'll find the GIF you've worked on, and from there, look for the Share button at the top right corner of your Canva interface. Click on it, and this will open up several sharing options for your design. After you've opened the share options, you should see an icon with 3 dots, typically representing more options. Click on those dots to expand your choices. Within this expanded menu, one of the selections you'll see is Embed. Selecting this is crucial as it will provide you with the embed code needed for your Squarespace site. Once you click on Embed, Canva will give you an embed code. Click on Copy to save this code onto your clipboard. You'll use this embed code in the later steps on your Squarespace website, so make sure you don't lose it. Now, let's switch over to your Squarespace website to integrate the GIF. In your Squarespace backend, look for the option to add a new block. You can generally find this within the page or section you are editing. Once you click on ADD block, a menu will appear that shows different types of blocks you can add to your page. Here, you want to select Embed. This option allows you to insert multimedia content like your Canva GIF. Once you've chosen the Embed block, click on Edit within that block. This is a critical step because it opens up the settings for this specific section. Inside the Edit menu, look for Code Snippet and select it. This is where you will paste the embed code that you copied earlier from Canva. By selecting Embed Data, you'll be taken to a field where you can input your code. Simply paste the embed code you've stored in your clipboard into this field. This step essentially tells your Squarespace site to display the GIF you designed in Canva. Finally, after pasting the embed code, be sure to click on Save to apply your changes. Saving the changes is crucial as it updates the page on your Squarespace site to include the GIF. And there you have it. Your GIF is now successfully embedded on your Squarespace site, ready to entertain and engage your visitors. Enjoy showcasing your dynamic content, and stay tuned for more useful tips to enhance your online presence.